Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to video call on Zoom. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your the Fiverr website. So make sure to just type the URL on your web browser and then log in to your account. After that, we will need just to go to our inbox. But before, we will need just to know some things. So basically, you will need just to have the Zoom video call eligibility. So either you can have like the video call because the video calls on Fiverr are all on Zooms. So you are just going to create some Zoom meetings via Fiverr, and you will be able to uh, video call your clients or your sellers. So either you can do it on the order page and you can seller initiates the Zoom calls. So basically you can do it on Fiverr. You will need just to click on the Zoom button, or here on the inbox you will need just to be a leveled seller with average selling price of $50, or you can have the Fiverr Pro. So basically you will need just to go to the Fiverr, and if you are a seller you will need just to go either on the orders and go to any unfinished or incomplete order, and then you can have such button. And let's just go back here and you will have it like that. You can just add a meeting or just set up a meeting, and then you will need just to wait for the client to join. Otherwise, you can do it on the inbox by going or clicking on your profile picture, and then you will need just to search for messages or inbox. So here you can find your messages and you can just click on see all in inbox. Here you will find the messages, and basically if you were the seller, you will have the video call option here. You click on the video call option and they will give you the ability to create a Zoom meeting, and then you will have the link for the Zoom meeting, and you will need just to send the message or where the Zoom meeting link is generated, and you will be able to join the meeting and video call your clients on Zoom. So basically, I mean on Fiverr. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.